Hello, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Yes, this air right now that we're having is a huge, I don't know. As you can see, I did not know what to do to this air at this point. I just knew I wanted to do like a low bun, but what exactly I wanted, I did not know. So I just winged this look and I thought that, well, yes, I think I should post it on YouTube too, because someone out there might be trying to figure out something really, really simple to do to their hair on a lazy hair day as this. So if that's you today, then you want to keep on watching. Yeah, so I'm just going to give my hair a slant part. I'm doing a very deep slant part here. By the way, guys, happy new year. Like, this is going to be my first video to upload in this new year. It has been recorded long before the new year, you guys. But a lot has been happening, I've been so busy with planning my wedding and doing a lot of running around for my wedding, and now it's all done. Yes, you guys, the girl got married. Yeah, I had a very intimate ceremony to mark my wedding. So yeah, I'm back now, and I'm just going to get editing and start pumping out videos, because I've missed you guys. I've missed coming on here. I mean, I see a lot of people subscribing. I'm like, oh my god, I've not even been uploading. I'm like, thank you guys so much. If you're a new subscriber, God bless you. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my videos. Thank you for subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber and viewer, I really do appreciate that you always come back and click to watch my video. And for the year 2021, I'm open to dish out more varieties. Yeah, because this channel actually is not or was not created just to be a hair channel. So expect lots of fun content going forward. By the grace of God, I'm working towards infusing a lot of variety here and there. So you want to keep on watching. You want to turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. With that being said, just keep on watching, guys. Let me not ramble too much anymore. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye. Well, that's if I do not come back again.
Thank you.